Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a Valentine's pamper box to share with you and it's from Lookfantastic. This is what it looks like, but look at this, It opens up like this to reveal a middle compartment full of lovely beauty treats. So I'm going to go through it one by one showing you, but before I do that I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. Be part of the self-love club this Valentine's Day with a box that is full of beauty treats. There's 7 products in total, 4 full size, 3 deluxe size. It costs £55 a box and it has a value of over £207, which has a massive saving of £152. Now if you are a subscriber to Lookfantastic's monthly beauty box, you can get this box for £45 either by following a link when this box is released, which will be the 25th of January, or you can use code VDAYLOU10, which I'll pop down in my description. But if you are a non-subscriber and you want to take advantage of the 10% discount, they do have a code that you can use as well, which will entitle you to receive this box for £45 if you sign up for a 3, 6 and 12-month subscription. And that code is VDAYBB10. Both codes and links all to do with the subscription and this box when it is released. There's no information up on their website yet, but I will put a link ready. And as soon as it goes live, post up everywhere on my Instagram page, my Facebook page, which are both Diaryofabeautygeek, but you will see it there. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and you'll find everything there. So inside the box you'll find a card and it says welcome to the self-love club, and inside you will find all the details related to all the products in the box. So I'll be referring to this as we go along if I need extra information. So let's get on to opening it up and showing you what's inside. Now when I first received it, I thought it was a box that you open up sideways like that. I couldn't work out why it was an opening. I think this is so lovely with a little middle. I do, I really like that. Okay then, so let's get out the largest item first, which is a full-size Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. There's 100 grams here and it's a super cleansing treatment balm for fine lines and wrinkles. Padina Pavonica English Rose Rosehip Oil, and it deeply cleanses, soothes and calms. Elemis do the most amazing cleansing balms. I've currently got their Neroli one. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous. And even though I don't like rose, I do actually like using this. It's not a scent that lingers. So if you're like me and you don't like your rosy stuff, nah, this is fine. This, honestly, this is fine. And it just feels amazing. Look at the size. I'm used to getting little ones, so no, this is going to last me a long while. This luxurious shea butter and sweet almond oil enriched cleansing balm melts away your makeup as you rub it into your skin to reveal a clear and radiant complexion free from dirt and impurities. And as well as the cleansing balm, got a little package here. Some Elemis cleansing cloth. I use these cloths every time I use a cleansing balm. I just apply it onto my face. As it says, melts away my makeup. Using a damp, warm cleansing cloth, I gently remove the balm off my face and oh, I just love it. I am really, really chuffed at this. Really chuffed. It's a proper treat. Next we've got a product by Ren, and this is the Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic, and there's 250 mils here. And this is another product that I've received before, but in little miniature sizes. So yeah, the first time I've ever had it full size. It is a really, really lovely tonic or toner, exfoliator. It's really nice. I use them after cleansing, so I cleanse my face, then I use these tonics, and then I spray my face with hydrating mist, and then I go on to serum, moisturize, SPF and things. This Radiance Reviving Toner has a skin resurfacing formula to gently exfoliate and brighten your complexion. A combination of lactic acid and willow bark extract work together to eliminate dull surface cells and minimise the appearance of pores. So there's that. Next we've got a makeup product by Illamasqua, and this is their Beyond Liquid Highlighter, and there's 15 mils here. I haven't tried this before. I do really like the brand Illamasqua. I've tried quite a few of their products, but no. What is this like? Ooh, look at that. Okay, try a little blob on my hand. Wow. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Wow, 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 that is so pretty. But I've put way too much on my hand there. That would freak me out on my face. As far as highlighter goes with me, less is more. More of a dewy sort of fresh glow to my face than like strobing highlighters. Feels gorgeous. It does feel nice. And look, see? It is really pretty. Some liquid highlighters, if they are very subtle, I put them in foundation and then I apply it all over my face. But ones like this that has a bit more colour pigment in them, I tend to apply them after I've done my foundation and just apply it with a beauty blending sponge, just blend it in that way, and I prefer it. This highlighter adds effortless luminosity to your complexion, perfect for accentuating the high points of your face or for an all over glow. Formulated with jojoba oil to glide over your skin seamlessly in a beautiful champagne shade that is great for all skin tones. Yeah, that is really pretty, but for me personally, I would just use a tiny bit. Next, we got a product by 11 Skin, and it's Harley Street, London. This is a Rose Gold Radiance Booster, and there's 20 mils here. That's the outer packaging. 111 Skin is a pricey brand. I've tried a cleanser and I've tried their face masks, and they are really nice. Really nice. Oh, look at that bottle. Isn't that gorgeous? There's 20 mils here, and it says get a soothed and hydrated complexion with this radiant booster formulated with rose flower water and 24 karat pure gold to cool irritation, reduce redness, provide environmental protection and supercharge your skin's luminosity. Also formulated with niacinamide to intensely hydrate and plump out the skin. That sounds great, doesn't it? Sounds really lovely. Oh, it is pink. Let's try a bit of my hand there. Oh, again, as always, I always put too much on. But look. Oh, I can't wait to use that. Oh, it has a nice smell. Smells a bit like Parma violets, but very subtle. Shake well before use. Use 1 to 2 drops in the palm of your hand with your favourite moisturiser, or apply directly to skin after cleansing. So there's that. So those 4 products were full size. Now onto the deluxe minis. And first, we've got a Too Faced Better Than Sex little mini mascara. This is one of my favourite ever mascaras. It's been a favourite of mine for years and years. This is a 3.5 gram, but I do know that you can buy mini ones for £10. So this might be a little bit smaller than a mini, maybe. I'm not too sure. But it's still a fab size. I just find the brush works really well with my lashes. They're short, they're fine, and yeah, they don't curl. And yeah, I really like it. They grab them. In the information card, it says get fluttery lashes of dreams with this iconic Too Faced mascara with a lash enhancing formula that lifts and volumizes every lash and gives a curl that will last all day long. So there's that. The last 2 minis come as a duo. We've got an Aveda Cherry Almond Conditioner and a Cherry Almond Shampoo. The shampoo is 50 mils and the conditioner is 40 mils. They're both softening shampoos and conditioners. Now, I've never tried this before. Aveda's a lovely brand, really lovely for your hair. I have a few products, especially their tonic, their thickening hair tonic. It's a spray. Oh, that smells so nice. Oh my gosh, it smells so nice. It's just like a cherry bakewell cake. I can't help it. I refer to nearly every smell to food, mainly cakes and sweets and things. This 98% naturally derived skincare duo will bring some life back into your locks. Infused with a host of beneficial ingredients including cherry blossom and sweet almond oil to nourish and soften your hair from root to tip. So those are all the products inside this box. To recap, I'll just go through them one by one. We've got an Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. We've got a Ren Ready Steady Glow Daily Skin Tonic. We've got a 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. We've got an Illamasqua Beyond Liquid Highlighter. We've got a mini Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. And lastly, we've got a Aveda Cherry Almond Shampoo and Conditioner Duo. So those are all the products. The cost of the box is £55 if you're a non-subscriber, or £45 if you are a subscriber to Lookfantastic's monthly beauty box, and the value is over £207. I really like this box. I am really excited. I've got a massive Elemis cleansing balm. I just love them. I just think they're fab. If you've been following me for a while, you'll know I love my cleansing balms, and Elemis is right up there. It is really good. I'm really excited to try the 111 Skin, the Radiance Booster as well. I do think this is a really nice box. Really nice. And yeah, the shampoos and conditioners. I like the fact that we do get both of them. I never go out and buy just a shampoo from one brand and a conditioner from a different brand. No, I usually buy the same because they work better that way. That's my thinking anyway. But yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you going to purchase it, or are you going to purchase it as a gift to give to someone? Or are you watching this thinking, nah, it might not be for me? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.